Where's the VIP class? Down there. Thank you. Okay, we're at Shanghai's Pugong Airport. Just got in 3 o'clock in the afternoon, December 23rd. And we're just headed to catch the MagLev. Got the VIP class. Headed into Pugong, and then we'll take a taxi over to the Sheraton Airport. So we'll get on board and see how it goes.
Okay.
Okay? Very good. Fast train? Very fast?
300.
Very good. Okay, the ride into Shanghai is a short 8 minutes at 431 kilometers per hour. First 3 minutes it's going to be accelerating, and then it's up to speed for only 2 minutes, and then it's like 3 minutes deaccelerating. So it's a pretty fast trip, but once you get up to speed, it's only short-lived. You aren't up there very long, and then deaccelerating for the arrival. Okay, we're getting started. The door just closed. See if I can sense the lifting. Yep, there we go. Yep, it's lifting up about an inch or so. Quite a bit. Quite a bit. Feels like almost an inch and a half. There it's lifting, I can feel it. And there we go. Oh, you can feel the individual pulses initially. Kind of a low rumble as it picks up speed. Got like a high voltage electric motor starting out at the low end. And here we go. Head to Shanghai. Okay, sun's about to set. Just about 10 to 5 in the evening. Headed out of the Pugong Airport. On the only true operating MagLev in existence. I'll get up and see if we can get some speed reference here as we accelerate. Okay. Picking up speed. 160 kilometers per hour. And it looks fast. It is smoking fast. 200 kilometers per hour. Still accelerating. Still accelerating. A little bit of movement to it, a little bit of bump, a little bit of jiggleness. 250 kilometers per hour, and it's banking in a turn. We're banked in a turn. I'll see if I can hold the camera level with the horizon or the outside terrain so you can get an idea how much we're banking. 270 kilometers per hour, and we are flying. Holy crap. There's 300 kilometers per hour. I'll swing the camera and get a view of the speedometer as we approach it, but man, we are just smoking. Kind of hesitated there. 320 kilometers per hour. Coming up to 300. Whoa, shit. The train in the opposite direction just passed us. Holy crap. Closing speed of 800 kilometers per hour. We're getting up 370 kilometers per hour. Still accelerating. Still accelerating. 300, approaching 400 kilometers per hour. It is fast, there's no doubt about it. It is fast. 410 kilometers per hour. $420. It's moving. 428. 431 kilometers per hour. That's it. Man, it is just smoking out there. Whew. Oh boy. Little bouncing around, you know, it's just a little like you're on a older track in in a standard train. Now we're banking to the right now. Still at 431 kilometers per hour. Okay, we leveled out of the turn. I've ridden this a couple of times now, and every time I ride it, it's an exhilarating ride. Kind of in a bank turn to the right now. Now we're de-accelerating. You might even be able to hear the sound as the whine kind of starts decreasing. Coming down through 375 kilometers per hour. Pretty hazy day out. Late in the afternoon, sun will be down in another hour or less. And I can see the MagLev terminus station up ahead.
乘客们，列车马上就要到达龙阳路站，请大家做好下车准备。谢谢您的配合。Dear passengers, the train will be arriving Longyang Road Station. Please prepare to get off the train. Thank you for your cooperation. 乘客们，龙阳路站到了，请不要遗忘您随身携带的行李物品。欢迎再次乘坐磁浮列车，再见。Dear passengers, we are now at Longyang Road Station. Please don't forget your belongings. Welcome to take our
there's our
MagLev train
MagLev ride.
again. Thank you.
Quite a hoot.